Nature reports the invention of a new rubber-like material with remarkable self-healing properties.
What we have is something new. It's something which behaves like a rubber. It can be deformed and then it relaxes back. Yes, because it's made of the small molecules, it self-heals like a silly putty, yet it doesn't creep the same way.
So this is a sample of this material, which is made up of small molecules, but it is able to undergo very large deformation and recover its original shape after relaxation. So here I will stretch it to about twice its length, which is deformation of 100%. Okay, the length is now 10 centimeters. I will leave it, and it will recover its original shape.
This material is made out of small molecules, and they are linked together by weak bonds, temporary bonds, and yet these bonds being long-lived, from when I deform them, they behave like one huge molecule.
Now I will bring the broken part into contact to promote self-healing. When we cut the surface, it's not perfect planar surfaces. They are a bit corrugated, and the two pieces, of course, are not put into contact exactly at the same place. So it's necessary to press a little bit to have full contact between the surfaces in order to promote healing by reconnection of broken H bonds. So this is a previously broken sample. It has been healed for 2 hours, and the scar is almost invisible. It is here approximately. Now I will pull it. I will stretch this sample. Okay, it's now again able to undergo large deformation without breaking. So here the deformation is about 100%, and still the sample holds. So now it relaxes to its previous length.
What's astonishing in this material, and which is really fantastic, is that they can live for a long time. So we can heal it not just after cutting, but even after half an hour or an hour, we can repair our broken sample and self-heal it. And we still recover extensibility, which is quite impressive. Now we will pull without breaking, hopefully. And you probably can see it in the camera that the scar starts to open from the edges because there was a notch which was not healed perfectly. This we mended overnight, and you see the scar very well, but now I will pull. And again, the deformation is very unhomogeneous because I'm not a tensile test machine, but it holds very, very nicely. And the only thing that we have to prove is that it will recover its shape, and let's see whether it goes back elastically or not. And it seems that it does. This thing was invented in 1943 by General Electric, who was trying to make a synthetic rubber. People didn't find for a few years any application, and finally there was a brilliant consultant in marketing who had this idea of making a toy, and he had made millions of dollars. So my only hope is that this new material I hope at least, will be a toy and give fun to many children in the world.